Hello, 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 meow. Hope you're having a nice day. My name is Kyara, and welcome to the Ludum Dare stream. Oh, let's not put, let's not have that there. Let's not have that there. I forgot to pop this chat out. Let's not look at my statistics. Anyway, we are making games. I'm making games. I'm making games. Chino is right beside me over here because we're doing this as a team and such, and hopefully you guys enjoy the time here. I'm just bring up the music. Let's not have that there. Okay. And I'll be unmuting in a bit. But yes, Chino is here this time. And we're live. Hi.
We're live?
Yeah, we're live.
Alright.
Whoa. Imagine being live. Could it be me though?
You know, when I saw, like, when I was young, when I saw the word lie, I was like, ooh, look, the TV broadcast is live right now.
Live. I feel you there. I definitely feel you there. Okay. Wait, where's the thingy? There it is. Gotcha. So we are making a game. Whoa. Yeah, I'm making video game. I'm on the art side of things. The programming things is on Chino's side. Oh, I should probably give this to you, Chino, if you wanna see the chat as well.
The cookie. I want a cookie.
Imagine that. Okay. Where's it? There it is. Here's what I'm doing.
Yep.
This throw animation.
Thank you.
I'm done with that throw animation. We're gonna make the Lighterang, right? Are we just gonna stick to that name? We're just gonna name it the Lighterang. Yeah. Oh no. Anyway, hello Sai, hello Worker, hello Sky. Oh, don't worry, Worker, you'll be good soon enough. I'm making sure that. Okay. Can I make it? Oh, I'll make it. We need to increase the radius of the. I think the Lighterang should have like a bigger. I think the Lighterang should have a bigger radius.
Right. Yeah, I definitely on that. Actually, I don't know if we want to change camera zoom back to how it was at the beginning. We might, just because now it feels a little tiny for the characters. I don't know. The one thing I need to ask is, are you on my branch right now? Or I have not pushed many of the changes here.
No, I am on my own branch.
All right, let me push some changes here.
I'm gonna push something on me.
Push it on me. Or, well, I'm pushing it to my current branch called Chino Makes No Mistakes and Codes Perfectly, but they'll push out to me.
Okay. It's centered. So how y'all doing? It's been a day. I slept a while back.
That was a lie. Kai didn't sleep today.
No, I slept a while ago. I tried sleeping okay, but like the blackout like messed me up so bad.
Everything was black. You could call it dark hour.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
I still need to finish that game.
good. Oh. It's good.
Oop, I got merge conflict. Let me fix this.
I'm not sure if import rules transfer over
They
over the
not.
cloud. Hey, Connect! Yo! Hope you're having a nice day. Oh my god. It's going to be morning. So, hope you're having a nice day. Oh my goodness. I need this to be bright.
They say everything happens at 4 a.m. I mean, like, you see the news articles where, like, when you wake up and you have a new news article when you wake up in the morning. When did that news happen, huh? It had to have happened at about 4 a.m. So therefore, everything happens at 4 a.m. in the world.
Oh no. I think you're on second wind there, Connect.
I remember when I took the trip just like last week.
Mm-hmm.
I worked and then I had to work on getting a mobile app published. And then I forgot to sleep, so then I had to go work again, and then I was in a layover for an airport for 10 hours. And then I flew. I know experience. Sleep is valuable. Treasure your sleep. You won't get it back. Except during a game jam. There's no such thing as sleep tonight.
What's a sleep?
Just see. I feel like half the game jam always is going back through your older projects and then copying code from there.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Are you?
No, why would I do that? I'm a innocent new time coder. I've never done this before. I don't know what I'm doing. There would no way I'd be copying code.
You're doing it wrong though. You're doing it wrong though. You're just supposed to be getting the code from Stack Overflow.
With their new filter mode that allows you to see the finest of Windows 3.9 or Mario in your finest of display.
Mario.
That was actually one of the themes. Like, I was at work and like I had Mario on my theme in my cubicle. I'm like, all right, this is professional. I'm a professional coder today.
My goodness. Hey Chino, remember when I said like I was removing my jacket because it was like
Yeah.
at a good temperature?
Oh no, what happened to your jacket?
Now it's not. Now it's too hot. Oh, sorry. Let me fix that. That's because the voice thingy is the voice thingy is way lower. Okay, I think it should sound good now.
Testing 1, 2, 3. If you do not confirm that these settings are correct, they are resetting in 5, 4, 3.
No, no. Okay, so like the audio setup I have is like everything is like streamed to desktop, right? So everything is there. The only thing that takes precedence is like my voice. So when Chino is gonna try to argue with me, my voice will take over and it'll be hard to hear Chino.
Wait, I'm at max volume now, so everyone can hear my beautiful voice like at full 100%. I mean,
Are you gonna do
too much power here. I think you should give me the power to sway our viewers like this.
Oh, don't worry. I think I think I would like to think that you with your extreme power, oh Chino God, you have to do your daily ara to please the masses.
I don't know what a daily ara is, but I do know I have to do my dailies in Genshin Impact because I forgot to go and defeat the raid bosses again, so I need to go get my Wormite in order to exchange. Wait, hang on. Wrong game. Shoot. I don't know. It's been a couple of hours. I can say my brain isn't in a 100% of functional mood, but it's still in a coding mood.
Kinda same.
Alright.
Like the blackout like messed me up, man. Like I napped and I napped because it's blackout because like, yo, electricity's not back. Okay, I'm gonna nap. Oh, electricity's still not back. I'm gonna nap. And then I wake up like, oh, electricity is back, and then like I was only awake for a few hours, and then I slept again.
I can't believe Kai slapped.
No.
I slapped them. Slapped like Kai. Okay, I don't know where I'm going with that. How's the weather outside?
The weather outside is brightening. The clouds make so brightening. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow.
Alright, come to Ohio. We got the snow. We got the snow all over the finest of Ohio. Why is it snowing in March? Yeah, people tell me. I know some people in Canada are like, snow in March? That's nothing. Snow in May. Let's go.
Wait, it does?
Yeah, I was told, like, I think. Yep. It's like a little north of here. There's snow. For that part of Canada, snowing in May. I wonder if you can get snows in June. That would be cool.
No. That doesn't sound a good idea.
So, one of my places I've actually wanted to visit one day, life mission here, is to go and visit Antarctica, okay? Like, people go and visit all the other touristy attractions, but no one visits Antarctica there's no good reason to visit Antarctica. That's exactly why I want to visit Antarctica.
Oh my goodness.
No place being there.
So you just wanna
have the penguins kick me out?
You want to experience the reason why no one takes
I will go and
vacation
travel all the way to Antarctica to find out why nobody goes to Antarctica.
My goodness.
I say that, but at the same time, I was like randomly talking with some guy one day, like talking about random things, and then he talked to me about how he went to Antarctica. I'm like, all right, nobody except this one guy I knew goes to Antarctica. Darn it, I'm gonna have to find a new place then.
Okay. So we had the lighter rank now. Why is that? Can I refresh the... The light... What? Oh, I see. Oops. Export. There it is. Lightering. We can use Sprite. We're just like a normal Sprite. No need to be special.
None of our code is special. We treat each code the same.
Can't believe. Chino, you should take Chip to Ohio.
Shit, I got we can provide great Ohio vacations on the Chino Vacation Service. You can explore the finest of what Ohio has to offer, including corn, more corn, football, and corn. I'm pretty sure that at least one of these fine categories will suit all of your tastes. So come down to Ohio now, before Ohio takes over your country next.
My goodness. Okay. Transform. Reset that.
I only learned about Ohio being a meme until after I moved to Ohio. I don't know what happened. I don't know how I was oblivious until I
You missed
the truth.
You missed the train to meme Ohio. Cincinnati.
I could make a pun on Cleveland, but I don't want to get this stream demonetized, so I will hold back on my other Ohio puns.
Wait, so you're talking about like demonetized, right?
Yes.
I can't believe you have to tell the joke about demonetized.
I mean, if any 100% of proceeds go to the Kai, can you give me a foundation here? I need a foundation. We need to advertise your 501c3.
A cinder block is a foundation.
You know, how many cinder blocks does it take to make a cinder race? Wait, no. Alright, my head is really not on correctly tonight. Two entirely different subjects. Cinder. Code! That's what I was supposed to be doing right now.
Yeah.
Alright. Hitbox. This hitbox, when the player hits a hitbox. Oh shoot. Yeah, that's right. But hitbox should have its collision shape. There should be a collision on it by default. Level 4. And then collision here is hitbox.
my goodness. None of that. Function. Quick update. Process.
Oh no. Let me just exit and restart the editor. I think I broke something. It's funny, I find Godot tends to be a lot more stable than Unreal Engine.
I mean, Unreal Engine is really big.
That is also true. I told you about that one time that I had to edit the source code of Unreal Engine, right?
No.
I had an entire class that was about taking a source code and recompiling the Unreal Engine. That's why I bought my computer, because I knew I had to do that.
Oh my goodness.
Granted, it was like a really cool class. You're not gonna get that many learn that many places. But also, I don't want to touch the Unreal Engine ever again, please.
It's so big. It's so big.
If Unreal 4 is so big, I wonder how big Unreal 5 is.
Oh my gosh. I think at that point, if we're gonna like, if we have to work in Unreal Engine, I think we have to we have to have like our own personal work computers at that point instead of like just normal PCs with our dev stuff in.
That reminds me, my company was saying to everyone like, all right, because now you work from home, you can get your own personal work computer from home. Except some people already have a work computer, so they're kind of like, but here's the money anyways. So people are like buying gaming PCs, and they shouldn't be. But no one's stopping them.
Wait. Don't we have what do you call this? Those one-line boolean thingies? Whoa.
One-line booleans.
The I forgot the name.
One-line.
One-line if statements. Sorry.
Oh, ternary ifs, they're kind of written a little weird. You say this if statement 1, like state value 1 if conditional else value 2.
Okay, gotcha. So
yeah.
Speed if.
When I was going in Game Maker, I was converting every single one of them.
Else. Negative rotation speed. Yep. There you go. And that should just spin. I think it's not spinning. That should be spinning.
What is spinning? Wait,
I'm spinning. I'm spinning the boomerang, the lighterang.
Wait. Oh shoot! Did you pull the latest changes?
No. Why?
Like, it was already spinning.
Oh, it's already spinning in the. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I could just delete the script then. Good. Detach. Okay. I'm gonna pull from main real quick. Update from main. LD. What's the scene for the game?
Right now I have a place base.
Play space. T scene?
TCN, yeah. All the Fia Play usernames are gathering in the chat.
Oh my goodness.
If you get like 7 of them, it's like gathering the Chaos Emeralds.
Game state is not declared in current scope on my end.
Alright. It should be loaded in as a singleton in the project settings.
Auto load.
In the auto load.
So both game state and G input should be there.
Yeah, game state and G input.
Okay. This is small. Maybe I should adjust the size. Can we like zoom in like by a half?
Zoom in by a half for. Okay. For the game. That's
Yeah.
what you're zooming in on.
Yeah. It's so small.
You know what? I think I'm making things too complicated than it needs to be for the. I'm staring like for maybe half an hour. All right, I got this thing and it needs to interact with this thing. Let me make this hitbox or something. Like, wait.
Gotcha.
There's no life. There's no.
There is no life. It's a one hit KO.
I need to resync my life.
You want I want this game to be as stressful. we're making a stress game.
I want to make the development of this game as stressless as possible, but I want to make the players experience as much stress as humanly possibly.
I mean, this is the point of the game, honestly. It's like
I still love Swedish Fish Simulator. I don't think I'm going to ascend beyond that game.
okay. I'm gonna push. How do I merge to main?
Alright, shoot, let me look at your stream so I can see what you're doing right now.
I think I'm also streaming in Discord, so like you don't have to worry about.
Alright, that is helpful. No, you're not streaming on Discord, you're just showing me my own window.
Sorry. There.
Oh no, wait. Looking at my own window. There it is.
Oh.
Yeah.
There. So I'm on my Giti Hubo.
Giti Hobo. Alright, so
Giti Hubo.
Current branch is Kyra branch, and you want get the changes from main?
So what?
Or what did you do and what do you want to do?
Merge to main.
Alright, so you want to merge the stuff in this branch to main?
Yep.
Alright, go check out main. Then go to repository, branch. Merge into current branch. Kyra branch. Merge. Push.
Push.
Now those changes are in main.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Alright.
It's been a while since I last used Git. Okay.
A long time. They have me using command line Git like one of those elite programmers.
I can't believe you need to be lead hackers.
Oh my gosh. Though, like, I have to work on a Mac at work, and when you work on a Mac, you can't be an elite hacker. No matter how hard you try, you have to use like a mouse wherever.
I mean,
Because-
you're already a filthy casual when you use a Mac.
Oh my gosh. Shots fired, Kai.
Filthy rich casual. Okay. I'm gonna swap my view to bottom. There you go. There's the lighterang. I think I should like work on. I will work on the attack animation and then I think particles. Then I think we need the particles more. Should I prioritize particles right now?
Yeah. Why not? As well as tiles. Tiles are very important for the environment. Right now I have 1 polygon.
Okay. So I should work on the tile set first, or do you want me to do the attacking animation
first?
Okay, tile set first. I don't know how to do tile set and I don't know how to do a tile set thingy. Anyway, I did push the entity and the what do you call this? I did push the entity and the lighterang.
Lightering.
Yeah, lighterang.
You know, because it's called lightering, I think it's like you're throwing a lighter, like, no, my big lighter.
Oh my goodness. Why am I at?
Be careful with that. Gonna burn. Only you can prevent forest fires. Then you make the game instead of accidentally setting the forest on fire.
My goodness.
Are there games like that where it's like burn everything as fast as possible?
Little Inferno? I think it's called Little Inferno.
I admit I have not played also many games, so I might not know.
Don't worry, me either. It's like a simple game where you earn money by burning things.
I have this urge to burn things. It's a weekend, off work. Just sit down, relax at home, and start getting out your flamethrower.
How do we make tile sets here? What? How do I make tile set? Convert to tile map. Set. That's a tile map now. Okay. How do I do this?
Circle. 12.
I need to do some research on this. I haven't done this before.
Are you doing auto tiling or just tile laid out?
Asprite's tile map thingy.
Got it. Yeah, it might take a bit of googling.
Yeah.
Here. Now, with the googling, you can advertise the browser that you're using to find and everything you need and get things done a lot more productively. Now for a word from this episode's sponsor today. Opera GX. Did you know it's Opera GX? No.
Oh my gosh. Nope. Tile map. Tile map. Tile mappo. Tile mappo.
Burger, I see what you posted in the chat, and I'm going to go to your millionaire room and spill some orange soda on it, and I don't know. That's just... I have to make sure that I leave my mark.
Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? I'm back to the air. I'm more used to this. Okay, what do we need?
We need
water.
Okay. Yeah, I remember you saying you wanted pools, and we need platforms. If you have house, I don't know. Not.
Noble VTuber action. Hello. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Lucy.
Have you tested how many VTubers up you can get on the computer at once?
What?
I don't know. Like, okay, you got.
There's a stream. There was a stream of like 20 VTubers, like yesterday.
Oh my gosh. I wanted to like have every VTuber up at the same time, and then like I don't know, do a Congo line. VTuber Congo
goodness.
line.
I think you're better off doing that in like I think you're better off doing that in like I lost my thought.
That's the one. Do knockback. On the knockback, we wanna. Oh shoot. Skip. Knockback. Knockback does.
Cool.
There his box.
Maybe I should start with the ground first. Ground first.
I'll do knockback. Knockback. Want to. Let's make a timer. Child node timer. Let's make a timer. Does this? Knock. Time. Knockback time. Let's make it last 0.2 seconds. Save that. Let's also make a. Let's do knockback time for now. No invincibility. Give it knockback. All right, then we want to. Do knockback. We have to override it, so we need Or knock back. I know on Twitter I've seen these really cool VTuber accounts that have like these really nice custom avatars, and I don't know who's this one person. It is one person making it. I don't know. Or where do like all these people get their VTuber avatars from?
Like, what kind of VTuber avatar are we talking about?
I don't know. It's like more of the kimono side of VTubers.
I mean, I know
People out there.
personally know a handful of them.
I know, like, if you're an American trying to find VTuber stuff, I don't know what you have. Fiverr. Fiverr is not a good place.
No,
That's like the first place. Like, no wait, not a good idea.
I think when they open it like they open like on Twitter or like some art sites and stuff. Alrighty, see you, Connect. Enjoy your movie.
Tell me how it is. I want to know if it's a good movie, bad movie. Give me the rating. Rating out of 10. And also save me some popcorn, please. I'm hungry. I'm starving here. I need popcorn. I haven't had popcorn for like a year. You know what a year without popcorn is like for me? It's like a year without popcorn. I can't stand it. I need it.
Goodness.
Alright. I don't have your stream up right now, but I think your stream looks a lot more sane than like the stream I have. Of like, I look here, and then I look back, and then I start typing something entirely random. So I'm like assigning booleans to vector 2s. So I'm like, how did I do that?
Why are you assigning vector 2s and booleans?
No sync, brain empty. Alright. It's true. I might talk out loud just to help myself think here, if that is okay.
No problem. I need to I need to close the window. Give me a second.
Alright. Start. I'm gonna do a one shot on that, and then wanna connect. Connect. This, and we're gonna say knockback equals false. All right.
Okay. Got the thingy.
The thingy. Right. I look at like the code for my other game jam. I'm like, how did I write this much?
Good question.
Vector equals wave from this pass. You make a unit vector from an angle in Godot.
Hi, Tangerine. Saskai. I don't know how to feel about it.
I'm just gonna. Well, Kai, that means we have, now that you have the Suskai, that must mean that we are now in a mandatory state where you must perform an Among Us stream in the next week, or otherwise you will be thrown off the airship. Have you played the Among Us with the proximity mods, or have you seen it?
No, I have not. I would love to play that though. Like a pure silence Among Us is not entertaining for me anymore. It's too stressful, I think.
Just the proximity mods is like you get to actually talk. Debating on text is like so annoying. I don't know.
Will you like put them all in like one image or? Gino, do I put the tile set in one image? All of them? Like all of the tiles?
You can put it all in one image, that would be good. Because eventually that image, and you have to create an atlas from it. And you can make several atlases from the same image.
Okay.
Not back here.
Attack. Just do it around. The stream is fine so far. I mean, it's doing its job. I'm trying to not to fall asleep.
Me doing my job is entirely a different story.
Me doing my actual job though? Yeah, that's a different story. The ground is so the ground is so small. It's so dark. Yeah, we're definitely gonna use like a lighter ground.
That was me in the first 5 minutes making a polygon out of black darkness. Infinite darkness.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be extremely lazy and not gonna make like a directional sensitive atlas kind of thing. Because I'm just lazy. Instead, I'm just gonna do like just like a box tile kind of deal. We could polish afterwards. Don't worry. Right now is minimum viable. As in minimum viable, as in like what's that face for? You don't know. Basically we we're trying to just make the game right now. Polish can go later, like how to making things look good and stuff like that.
I remember the last thing that we made. I literally didn't actually play the game until after it was published.
Oh my goodness.
And I was the one.
Wait, so I have to do the balancing all on my own?
Yeah.
Darn it, y'all. Like, Kayera, minimum viable. Also Kayera, the detail on this on the entity. Oh, speaking of the entity, I did have 2 sprites on one object on there. So you could have the glowy part, ignore the lighting mask. I haven't set it up though.
Okay. Sorry, I'm like knock back. I did not import the new round of sprites just yet. So So we got this.
Vanessa is probably the game ask. I guess we could. I guess we could ask for game testing. That's gonna be a very different process. The thing is that we need the feedback immediately.
Trust me, when it comes to game testing with these games, I will like go and break it. Like she will. I don't even.
I think Sai's the one that broke the score counter last time, actually.
Sai was the one who was the closest to beating Swedish Fish Simulator. And you know how much dedication it takes to beat Swedish Fish Simulator? And like, I don't know, that game can send people to the hospital.
Oh my goodness.
My brother only beat it because he used a macro.
Why?
Just having a game though that you work on for 3 hours and make people play for 10 hours is a satisfying feeling.
Oh my goodness.
Right. You're just gonna keep hearing me talk about this one game over and over. Motion velocity knockback. Alright, that's good. Now we need to actually do the knockback. So we need to create the attack. I think I have a player attack already. Yeah, there's an attack. Oh, I have the attack. When did I? Oh, okay. Good enough. Okay, so here's the hitbox. So the hitbox is on this layer. There is the hitbox layer. Alright. So let's actually change the attack though to a kinematic body, and that will make this a little easier for me because I don't have to manually increment its position and take kinematic body to the box collision shape. Delete. I change type. Layer. Debug has visible conversion shape. Oh, I didn't set that. Alright, let me set that. You have actually, yeah, this should be change type. Type this. We got 2D. It's gonna be the best way of doing this. Alright, so then we're gonna change this to do a function on ready, and I just do a destruction timer dot start. Destruction time is one shot. So
bloodless corpses. Many of the people you destroyed were still alive.
You're gonna slow down the entity, right?
Yeah. You know, the entity moves.
It's so fast.
It has a lot. This is not like an orb that's supposed to follow you. I already have the speed and all that controls. I can figure that out.
Okay, so those who doesn't so like since y'all didn't see the what's happening is basically the entity is like circling around too fast from the players.
It's becoming a planet around it. It's not causing us stress. It's instead becoming a solar system. We are creating a solar system. That is how inevitable.
It's a solar system.
It's
Oh
an
my goodness.
inevitable story about the space. Space is inevitable. That's it. All right. How do we pitch this? Sell it. Publish it. Next hit game. Let's go.
Well, I could actually show it in a sense. So see that circling thing, like that one, that thing, that thing, that's like supposed to kill you, and like them being that near is too just like they're moving too fast. They're too dangerous.
Knockback needs to go to knock.
Small little planetary gear.
Make sure that knockback is called.
I think it's better for me to switch over to Psi for file mapping.
Alright,
Yeah.
it's Psi time. You know, there's like, I keep confusing people. There's Psi, there's Psy, there's like Psi. And I'm like, how do I pronounce all these?
I mean, there's also snow and snow.
Oh my gosh.
This is just a thing. It's not gonna be a Furia based. You assume that everything in my Ludum Dare games is Furia based. It's not.
Even every game that Kai has ever made is Furia based. That means all the tutorials too. That's right. We're talking about Furia word search, and we're also talking about Furia. We're the deep Furia Connect 4. Furia
Connect for.
Hey, we got Yonko Battle here. Crossover? Download in the App Store today, by the way. It's free. That's right, you can try out the hit game Yonko Battle free today on your Android device.
There's one game I made back then for college called BagelBot.
Oh yeah.
It's gone from the App Store now, but like
No.
The annoying part, but a bit thankful for is that those like alternative sites that just downloads the APKs.
Oh my gosh. Piracy saves the day.
I should probably put BagelBot in my or like at least port BagelBot to desktop.
We just took Yonko. I had to shut down the Yonko Battle servers because it was costing us money every month. But my brother found a way to get free servers up and running. So
Are you implementing Web3 technology? Whoa!
That Oracle gives you free servers. Like they have a class of like a really small server they give you for free, but it's enough to have a Minecraft server or a small mobile application development server.
Wait, like like a 1 GB Minecraft server or something like that.
Yeah. I don't
It's
think
one. It's a 1 GB. That's not gonna last.
like I don't know how big Minecraft servers are usually.
Usually they're like 2 GB or more, but that's like for like
Uh,
1 to 2 people, 1 to 4 people, and then you like go for 4 if you want like
like usually
dozen
I need
of
just
people.
10 megabytes on the servers I make, so I'm like, you need that much for a Minecraft server? A lot. Albeit like mobile apps, you don't need that much data. Surprisingly. Okay, so we got that, and we want to make sure the player, we don't want the player infinitely doing attack, so child node timer attack. Oh, make one for attack cooldown. Let's make shoot cooldown. All right. Let's give it. Yeah. Let's go with this. Wait.
Technically, it could make a Minecraft server for us, but like for streaming.
No, not Java development. Please, please. We don't talk about Java in here.
That's actually my first language.
It was mine as well, but I've
Oh, it's not good.
drinking draught. The JavaScript Kool-Aid. I'm never going back to JavaScript. You can't convince me. No, not Android Java development. Please, no. You're giving me nightmares, and I'm not even sleeping yet. I'm just having nightmares while just sitting in my chair. Timer, timeout, connect. Go to that timer. And we want to.
Then just the wonder, just the water and the brambles and the mud. I think I would prefer. I think if I'm gonna make like a Minecraft mod, I think I'm gonna go with Fabric. It's like it's easier to do.
I've still not played Minecraft ever.
But yeah, do you have a copy of Minecraft?
No. Wait, why would I have a copy of Minecraft if I've never played it?
Look. You're a VTuber, right?
Oh my
That sounds like a
gosh.
great idea. You know,
No. Oh no.
if I drag you,
If
a
I
Minecraft
play Minecraft
newbie,
I'm gonna do exactly what I did to the last Terraria world I was
and then
destroying everything.
and then
Like
have me, a Minecraft expert, and we're gonna try to beat the Ender Dragon.
All right, Kai. How wide is a Minecraft world? How many blocks is it wide?
It's like 2.43 million.
All right, 2.43 million by 2.43 million. That sounds a lot like a lot of blocks. By the end of it, there will be 0, and we'll be happy.
Oh my goodness. Wait, keyboard shortcuts. Is there like fill selection? Fill selection. Control. We get the trees, we got the trees, uh uh, the trees, we got the ground, we got, I think the mud is also easy to make, and then the brambles is also easy to make, so I'm gonna prioritize for that. And then the water. And that should be like all 5.
What is a bramble?
The bramble will stun you.
Okay, okay.
It's like a wall, but it's on the ground. So like when you hit the wall, you get stunned, right?
Okay.
But also like the bramble is like something that's not part of the wall, but is there, and then you have mud, which slows you down. Oh my goodness, that would be funny. Let's put Final Fantasy 14 mechanics into this game. That sounds fun. E9S. Okay. I will return.
Ira will return shortly. On the wait, stream mode. Wait. Oh. Stream up. All right, okay, we are still up.
Okay, I have returned. So, oh, I haven't been streaming. Y'all. You mean I was streaming the programming thing the whole time. Yo,
Stream?
I've been streaming the programming thing the whole time. I was not like I was not showing the
No.
titles.
Oh my gosh.
Yo,
Everyone gets to see the beautiful code. Beautiful code. Or should do a programming stream and like hide secret messages in it. Like make an ARG programming stream.
oh my goodness! You just like, okay, we're gonna paste this random code, random piece of code that I have prepared so to make the code work, and then it's just a YouTube URL.
Make every Stack Overflow post that you go to that you create, and you just create every Stack Overflow post and you copy your own code from the Stack Overflow post, and inside of each Stack Overflow post, you fake users that actually have links to like a real world location where like, oh my gosh, no. And it eventually ends up with the government giving everybody a trip to Antarctica to find the secret of the lost Chinonium, which is
Disneyland and Antarctica. You could see all the penguins in it.
they're my penguins. Nobody else can have them. Okay. Great.
What do you think it's all subtle? Okay. Okay, let me check real quick if brambles are like the proper thing that I remember. Yeah, it's brambles. Yeah, the music's not playing anymore. Whoa.
Right, Kai, you're a VTuber. You know what VTubers do? You gotta sing. They do a lot of karaoke. So now, if there's no more music, you have to sing every song as the background music until the music comes back up again. I swear I feel like I know what you're trying to sing, and at the same time, I am horribly confused.
I was actually just I was just singing randomly. Don't worry about it.
It's randomly, but it's actually all part of Kai's ARG.
Whoa. You mean the notes themselves actually bear any significance?
You gotta put that song through a spectrograph.
Very good.
You need to get yourself some inspiration from other things.
Very good.
That's the only advice that I'll say.
A lot of times you get lots of stuff from just
Very good.
examples. copying examples, making small projects, even if they fail. It's always worth making those smaller projects because you'll have the experience to make a bigger project and a bigger one.
Do I make brambles obvious or should I make them subtle? I think I'll make them obvious. Somewhat obvious.
I can't wait until Go.4 that has anonymous functions.
Basically, you're trying to fend off the entity while you try to find your way home.
It's like any other normal day.
It's like any other normal day. Like a creep is continuously following you.
Me when I'm running to the bathroom in the halls in the dark when trying to brush my teeth, but I'm right before bed. But I know that there's something that's already in my house, lurking and stalking me because I forgot to lock the doors. I don't know. Maybe so.
Okay.
It's hard to top what happened last year with whatever place we got. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that.
You go that high again?
Yeah, that was like crazy.
Doubt it.
We gotta get Defi on this too with the music. His stuff was so good.
I think it's better if this one does not have music.
Oh yeah, no, I mean we're not. There's no way we're gonna get the music in this. He's busy anyway. It's student time. Once April hits, the moment April hits, when you're a student, you know what that means. Panic,
Yeah.
run, fear. Exams are coming. Everything will come at you all at once.
Oh no. The Sams. They're coming. I'm changing the prickly flower. Prickly flower.
Right. Oh, the entity sprite's huge. Alright, that's good to know.
Well, you want them to be imposing, right?
Yeah. No, instead you're running away from a tiny little ant. I mean,
Oh my god! I bet someone did it for looting there. I bet someone did the looting there. The turtle. The turtle. Not turtle. Is it a turtle? The snail! The snail! The snail!
running away from a snail?
Yes! Someone has to! Someone has to! Come on!
We haven't done it yet. That'll be next to them there. if we run out of ideas for this one. All right.
Rose,
If we run out,
I gotta run you to. Rose, I gotta run you to Godot. It's actually quite easy.
I mean, I could run you through Go and like the Chino crash course of Godot programming.
You could like easily make a character controller in like 5 minutes.
It does require a different mindset if you're coming from Game Maker, though.
It does, and JavaScript in general. If you're used to Python, then this is gonna be a huge advantage. Why is my head glitching so much?
Kai, what did you drink? What was in that water you got earlier? Or if you did get water. Actually, I don't know what you got. The mysterious drink you got from the vending machine.
I got yogurt.
Wait, you drink yogurt?
Here's like a yogurt drink. You never had a yogurt drink?
Actually, oh yeah, okay, there's a lot. Those aren't as popular here. I remember them. Like when I went on vacation, actually, there was like a bunch of them. I was like gonna buy them all, and then I had to not do that because I didn't have a fridge on vacation. So I was like, shoot. Otherwise, I'd like have 20 different yogurts in my room. When I saw the also with that same thing happened with the Jello. I don't normally see like pre-made Jello, so when I see pre-made Jello, I'm like, mine, everything.
Goodness. Also, Godot is like pretty much object oriented.
Kinda.
Kinda.
Not in the sense of object oriented.
It's kinda. I mean, there's classes.
It's a hybrid.
And then,
definitely
yeah,
a
it's
hybrid.
definitely hybrid. Oh,
It's because there's things that
Godot also has Godot also has like C#. Is it C#? I think C#.
it has like support for many different languages, but at the same time, when you're gonna look up a problem, most of the time it's gonna be in their Python stuff. So I usually just fall back to their GD script stuff, their Python stuff. Otherwise, it's hard to find out what the solution should be unless you got a lot of experience already.
Tell the truth, which I seldom do. I'm tired of being town in a hurry.
It does get to be a nuisance.
They are. They are.
I'm counting down the days until Nintendo Switch Sports comes out. Soon, everyone will get to witness the power of Nintendo Switch Sports coming to your Nintendo Switch.
Oh my god, networking in... I need to spin up a networking game in Godot again. It's really good now. In Godot,
Oh yeah,
in Godot 4, right?
4.0.
Yeah.
What about Godot?
Okay, I was making Project Peep before, and then like early on it was like Godot 2, so like I didn't have much out of it, but I think I might attempt Project Peep again. Peepfall. Yeah, it's monotonous, definitely. Definitely monotonous. And
Did you say something was the entity mask or which
yeah,
I
so in I'm not sure if I'm still screen sharing, but yeah, there is the entity mask. The entity mask is basically the one that ignores the lighting.
okay.
Yeah. So I separated it for you.
Alright, I got something going on here.
Indeed. That should work.
Wait,
That worked normally
back
before.
animation. Alright, let me find out what's going on here.
Yeah, it says null instance. It worked a while back.
Wait, what is parent? Get parent. Oh. No, don't do this. Yeah, that I can see how that can happen.
Overhead though!
Because get parent, if you call it here, this is not. If you want to call in like init, that's fine. But
Yeah,
when you
put it
call
on ready.
here,
Just put it on.
Dangerous.
Put it on ready instead.
Oh yeah, unready.
Like function underscore ready, and then just parent equals, you know, get
I
parent.
am actually like always very opposed to storing stuff if it doesn't need to be stored, because a lot of times, like if you say get parent versus parent, it's gonna take you the same amount of computation time. But when you say get parent, you always know it's referring to the correct parent. And something that's stored, you never know it's the correct one.
That is true, but like, I just do mini optimizations, like, memory versus speed.
He's circling around me. What have I done?
Oh my goodness. The eyes is not ignoring the light, though.
Yeah, kinda.
Point. Oh, hug. They hugging. Oh.
Get away.
Okay, mud next. Time for mood.
Let me just make sure it's using the correct frame. So I need to go into process.
It doesn't have to be mud. It could be. Actually, it could be just big rocks. Ooh. I'll do big rocks. Anyway, everyone's looking at your screen.
Oh no.
Fine. I mean, I want to show the game in action a bit. There you go. We're back into my point of view. But yeah, when you do get parent, right? So like it's a function. So you get 2 more steps, and you have to get parent every time. So it's easier to assign it to a variable instead. And if it's a repeating one, then might as well make it a local variable.
So, however, it's a function that's referencing just an address in the end. It's just basically optimized. It's an address reference. The other is a address reference plus a storage, plus you now have more than one source of truth.
That is true.
But I mean, okay, talking about making a game, you're like, all right, get parent versus parent. Let's spend 10 hours on. No, I get held up on like the dumbest of things. Oh, let's see. I think what happened is like I've been ruined by React because I use everything I basically am doing to the function in React, and you can't like in React if you store variables, it is very difficult because you have to store it asynchronously, and then it causes a bunch of other things. So basically, everything you want to do is a function call.
Okay, yeah, in terms of asynchronous processes, yeah, then yeah, I definitely would agree with you that
No, what
there it is,
by
it's
that
better.
is I've been ruined. I've adopted the functional call Bible. There is a very dark hell section of Stack Overflow where all the Lisp programmers live and glorify the one-line codes that actually span for 20,000 lines but are still running in one line. The programmer hell. Motion velocity. Where is it? MIPS emulator. Oh my gosh. I remember architecture in my class. I was like, please, no. Actually, architecture in my class was at 7 p.m. at night. And by that point, I was so sleepy that I remember sleeping in my classes. And then there are some classes that my professor just canceled. He was like, all right, I'm tired today. I've had a long day. Class is canceled.
No, that sounds fun.
The extra credit in that class carried me very hard.
Okay. I'm changing the mud to just rocks. Pretty much.
So it looks like the entity has an attack.
I mean,
Does
they shoot bullets, so
Oh, it
It's-
shoots
it's-
bullets. Yeah. Now I
yeah,
have a
so
bullet?
they do that cool slashy slash to
have a bullet
move bullets.
in the repository. Or is it just the entity for now?
Hmm?
Is there a sprite for the bullet?
For the bullet? No. Also,
All right.
we definitely got substitute sprites though. Like you have a whole resource pack of them.
I do.
You do. You're the Kennies.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, look, the Kennies have like wave particles.
I'll go for the 17th time.
The Kenny particles have their own thingy.
The poor Godot logo. The default sprite of all my sprites.
This every starting developer in Godot. Come on.
I remember the first thing in Godot was like, all right, here we need to have a sprite. So here's this Godot sprite, and then we're gonna copy it, and then we're gonna make it like black to make the walls.
That's like a whole experience.
You're wrong.
Is it obvious that I'm too lazy to make certain tiles?
You're wrong.
I don't know. You
Now, I
sound.
know what you're thinking, but
Wait, no. I was gonna say you sound perfectly fine and nothing different, but then that would be technically calling you lazy. If you think you're lazy and I think you're perfectly fine. I'm overthinking this.
Sorry, this is like totally fair, a fair technique to do.
The mental gymnastics that game jams start taking on you, a mental toll.
you're wrong. Now, I know what you're thinking, but you're wrong. You're wrong.
Chino,
Yeah.
is shooting of type false. Don't worry, I'm here. I got you. I got you, fam. I got you, fam. Okay, water next.
I see mentions of C and C++ in the chat. Oh, God have mercy on your C programming. I I've escaped to JavaScript land. No more C.
Yeah, I don't like C either. It's like honestly kind of archaic at this point.
Yet, like, it still powers everything in the back end.
Yeah. Might as well be assembly.
Use TypeScript at my workplace now, but because we're using TypeScript, but TypeScript starts getting like really messy, especially when you're like, all right, now I have to define this type and strongly define all these other types. That we just are like, all right, we're gonna use the type and then we're gonna define the type as any, so we don't have to define the type, and then it just turns back into normal JavaScript again.
What else do I need? Okay. Ah.
Don't fight before dinner. Don't you like me?
Of course I like you.
He doesn't love me anymore.
Of course I like you.
Just, or sorry, I'm reading the names of the chat. Rosie, your you will help. You are the
Don't fight before
programmer
dinner.
that nobody wants to be, but we all need.
Don't you like me?
We'll make it things happen.
Of course I like
Yeah,
Thank you for being there.
Rosie will make the drivers or non-existent
I want-
drivers.
I want to live in high level world. Drivers, no, you can't take me back to the drivers.
you. Of course I like you.
Don't fight before dinner. Don't you like me?
Of course I like you.
He doesn't love me anymore.
You know what? No animation for water.
We're gonna have.
It's so hard to animate water.
You are making my graphics teacher sad, the founder of water animations.
Oh my
Not the
goodness.
founder of water animations. He just talks about the one time he made this water animation for one single game and then gets cited in the textbook for it and won't ever not talk about it. Like every time he gets brought up, he just mentions his water.
Look, I could animate water, but it's so time consuming.
This is not a water jam. This is a game jam.
There's a game jam. We need the peanut butter, the code, and the compiler.
Right. Animation.
Rosie be like, here's a system of inputs and outputs for the nuclear reactor, and me be like, haha, exporter.
When I was a little girl,
There you go.
I remember
There's a tile sheet. How do I define a tile sheet?
an ordinary little boy. One fine day, he discovered that he had been changed into a prince. Well, why can't it be the other way around?
Hmm.
When I was a little girl, I remember a story about a little boy.
So
An ordinary
I need a tile map, and then I need to make a tile set.
well, why can't it be
Yeah, so you make a tile map. Tile map is the thing that has the arrangement of the tiles, and then the tile set is where the tiles are. So look at there's one node called level geometry inside of level, and it kind of has it set up.
when I was a little girl? I remember a story about a little
Should I just use that, or
Yeah,
should I?
that's why I made it.
Okay, okay.
Hopefully you could maybe replace some of the stuff in it. I'm not sure. Not quite that easy. I remember always having problems. Dot player dot position. I'm seeing all this stuff in chat about Minecraft redstone, and I don't quite know what a redstone is.
Don't worry, we'll get you there.
I'm worried. Like every time, I'm like in danger of having to play another, not having to play another game, not getting dragged. What did it? What's the word for this? You got a lot of things lined up for me. You got Minecraft server. There's Final Fantasy 14. There's many things I could play. I'm worried.
Don't worry.
I'll never go back.
Easy. Then auto tile. Yes, yes.
You look good to any man.
We belong together.
I don't like to see you taking so little care of yourself. That's all we can do for him now.
We belong together.
I have the finest of Amazon Basics available for you for only $12.35 with Prime 2-day shipping. Remember to check the referral link in the description so you could also have your own of the finest of Amazon Basics wireless mouse.
My goodness.
We belong together.
But also talking about mouses, like, okay, there's this one mouse called Karani. So,
Oh my goodness.
loading.
Good to any man.
We belong together.
I don't like to see you taking so little care of yourself.
Okay, I have made a tile set. I think. So they just. Here. Oh, there you go.
We belong together.
Okay. How do we do this? Four out of four.
Let's just edit. Yeah.
Get it. My mouse is a Red Dragon M60 M6 610 M610. How did it change priority? Ah, game jams. The part where you had to figure out everything. Ain't that fun?
Every time.
I mean, that's what game jams are for. You learn something new every day.
One of my first game jams I remember going, and the entire time I was going for 12 hours, looking up the first 12 hours, I was looking up practice tutorials for 12 hours straight of using Unity for my first time or fifth time. I don't know how many times I used. There's a reason why I have a dark history with Unity, and I can just every time I go to the tutorials, I just like I'm dead. All right, I'm uninstalling Unity. So then after 12 hours of tutorials in Unity, in the end, getting like one Goomba walking back and forth on a platform for a platformer, I decided to then go and remake the game in Game Maker Studio faster. I was like, all right, and thus began my onslaught, for revenge against Unity, my bloodthirst for a superior game engine, and thus I have arrived at Godot here today.
Interesting.
What have you been drinking? Obviously, I'm only way around here. Is that all I need? What have you been drinking?
And then calculations. Else, back in time. These things.
What have you been drinking?
Oh, is that what it is? Has to be attack plus. That was terrible.
What have you been drinking?
And you? So how do I use this as... Oh, there it is. Okay, so how do I enable... There it is, priority. Gotcha. So I can now erase this. Nice. Okay, I'll add the I'll change the water into the auto tiles. It doesn't look good.
Better auto tiles. Ooh.
I'm just gonna make the 9 tile basic set pretty much.
Yep. Best auto tile.
On this top.
All right, like this is the worst possible thought on my mind right now, and for some reason I have the I have this urge to talk about it.
Is it that bad or?
Never mind. I'll hold off on it. I don't know why.
All right. If you say so, sire.
Hello, Shadik. Welcome
Hi.
back.
Hi, Shedick. Hi, Spyro. You have revealed yourself.
I really can't hide anymore.
Too bad, Spyro. You already forfeit your presence.
It was nice.
I think it's going well on my side. I'm not sure for Chino though.
Just flashbacks, war flashbacks, fire in my head right now. Burning buildings burning down.
My goodness.
Gunshots. Like, I never think a game jam is going well until I know it's actually finished. Yeah.
Should I list out what you've done?
Wait, what?
Should I list out what you've done so far?
I think we're good.
You've done nothing. Okay.
That's how it is, guys. That's how it is. I forgot I had coffee in the coffee cup. Oh shoot.
I have heard of evolution. It's immoral.
That's it. That's what's been happening here. I didn't drink all of my coffee. That means I was only at 80%, not 100%.
Uh-oh.
Actually, I'm tempted to get another cup of this stuff. It's so good. Or like, maybe I'll get some ice cream sandwiches and then take the ice cream sandwich and then combine it with the coffee.
Ooh. That sounds good.
There's this one instant coffee brand that I've gotten hooked on so much, and you can just combine it into anything.
Is it top of the morning coffee?
No, it's G7. There is at least one person in chat who knows what G7 is. It is good stuff.
But top of the morning coffee though.
Was that the one that you got like a free mug if you signed up? Or am I thinking of something else? Or is that a YouTube channel?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's for a YouTube channel. For sure. Oof, I'm getting tired. I'll probably stop after this for today.
Okay.
We'll see.
I will need to reevaluate my decision. Well, not. I need to evaluate where I'm at, take a breather before I stop. There's this one thing I want to write. Once I get this bullet firing, how it is with the entity shooting it, I want to take a stand back and like figure out where to go next, and then figure out from there if I need to sleep or not. You know, I have 5 monitors on my desk, but I only use 3 monitors at a time. But I do technically have wall mounts that I could like hang. I could just take, since I can only mount so many monitors to my desk, I could start mounting some to the wall. But that would also require drilling into the wall just for the sake of putting more monitors up.
Mm-hmm.
Should I do it?
No.
Darn. But I could have 5 monitors at once.
No.
5 monitors.
Okay, even though my advice says no, you're still like the master of it, so
Your advice says no, but my heart says yes. I need the monitors.
I needed 5 monitors. I mean, I have 4. And for good reason, but why do you need 5? We're not in a co-working space.
Maybe, how many monitors could I possibly put? Like, can I get 10 monitors? My happiness is purely dependent on the amount of monitors that are on my desk.
All in your mind. Now relax.
Great. Now that we're finally doing a dual stream, we gotta do the dual stream of Pokemon Unite or Splatoon. We gotta do that, especially when Splatoon comes out. I'm waiting.
Collab? I'm all for it.
A dual stream of Splatoon.
Collab? I'm all for collabs.
Oh, collab. I thought you said hold on. I don't know about collabs.
We're kind of doing one right now.
Oh, that is true. That might be true. It's my awareness of the situation. I thought this was a... The fact I'm pausing like 10 seconds between every 10 seconds between every sentence might not be healthy. Let's see. Moving slide, wrong.
I want to get this over with and help you in the programming side. Not gonna lie. Or find it code.
Yeah, I definitely can help with that. Like, it will definitely help to have a second
I mean,
on this.
yeah, the work on my end is not really that much. I could definitely help you on.
I remember the last game jam, you like saved me. Like I went to sleep with a ton of bugs, and I woke up in the morning and they're all fixed. I'm like, thank you.
No problem.
You're a legend in this. You're a legend in the city. Moving by day instead of night.
That works.
Leaving as evidence of your existence bloodless corpses.
Edit that.
Many of the people you destroyed were still alive. You're a legend in the city. Moving by day instead of night.
Okay. Oh, it has to be. Okay. Grids.
Leaving as evidence of your existence bloodless corpses.
Okay.
Many of the people you destroyed were still alive.
Here. It's ground, it's trees, brambles, and water. And auto tile. There you go. What? Eh. Why must you be so awkward? There.
It's just a phase.
It's just a phase, Mom.
Global position. What's global position?
Making more modern NES games.
Modern NES games? I don't have your. I haven't checked on your stream. Oh, that's what it looks like. Okay, I should have been looking.
What looks like?
I actually have not seen the tiles until now.
Oh.
Looks good.
Not complete
Very
yet,
good.
though.
Nothing awful can happen at a christening. Nothing awful can happen at a christening. It's postponed. Wedding different.
Let's try again.
Alright, we got bullets firing.
Sweating different.
Wait. Let me rotate correctly.
Sweating different.
I want you to let me edit. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, why would you let me edit? Won't let me edit. Oh! That was good though.
Oh no. Oh no. Or the crash.
Could be.
All those projects. Interesting projects.
Oh, there's lighting on the... Oh, that's the play space.
Yeah.
Level G on... There it is. Okay, can make the tiles smaller. Think about it. Mm.
Very good. Very good.
Okay. I got the bullets firing. What needs to be done here? We need these brambles. So we need the bramble implementation.
Should we make the brambles?
We need the
Sh- sh-
water
Very good.
implementation. So let's keep the hitboxes for the effects for the brambles and all that separate from the hitbox, the tile layer. So aka after you put down the tiles for the brambles and all those, we'll put down separate boxes that do the actual effects.
Can do.
Let's see.
Hey Chino, do you put Scorpion Reaper sauce in your mac and cheese?
Okay, wait, hang on. Where's this coming from?
The Sky said so.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, okay. I've put lots of different flavors of hot sauce in my mac and cheese, but not that one. Where do you get Scorpion Reaper sauce? I've had the Flaming Hot Cheetos mac and cheese before. It's actually pretty good, but it's also kind of depressing. I gotta say, like, I am a sauce connoisseur of like all the sauces that out there. Or, I don't know, because I usually eat the same food over and over again, but I just put a different sauce on it. Hot stuff. Okay, I might look into that. I don't like really hot sauces because I don't hate myself. Or, alright, hang on, let me put that better. I like eating food and enjoying the food. I don't like putting hot stuff on food just to taste hot stuff. So it's like, it's hard, you gotta find a balance between the hot sauce and the food out there. So there's like some signature. So like, I definitely love the sweet hot sauces out there, especially the really good sweet hot sauces, but there's many layers of depth to the sweet hot sauces you can get. There's also some like really rich hot sauces you can get. I just picked up at the grocery store this like matcha green hot sauce, and I need to try that. It's pretty cool. One of my favorite things I cook with is I usually like get some either habanero pepper or some type of really hot pepper, but not maybe too hot, and always cook it with some. My magic 2 ingredients at home are ginger beer and apple juice, which are really cheap and easy to find at the store. But the apple juice can glaze anything you want in a pan without any effort, and ginger beer just gets the flavor of ginger into it without actually having to cook ginger into it because I'm lazy. So like those two together plus any other spice you add into it just makes stuff taste so incredibly rich. Absolutely recommend it. Cook it on chicken, pork, whatever. Also, wait, game development. What was I thinking? What was I talking about? Oh yeah. Things that we need to do. Okay, so the hitbox on not back. So we need the start plus and start state. We need the end state. We need murder. You know, you don't actually die. We're going to need a lot of tweaking of values. We're probably going to need better path following, if possible, to find. Otherwise, we can tweak values somehow with this path following, hopefully. But I think there's nav meshes in Godot as of 3.3, which was a savior because nav meshes actually were a thing that you had to generate yourself before. So if there's nav meshes now, then we might be able to just find a way to get a free following, not free following, but like free pathfinding here. Bravado Spice Company. Alright, that looks good. Discounts codes. Alright, I will like. Alright. can you tell me, like, text? I'm getting off topic here, but let me know, like, in DMs how much they cost for hot sauces. Like, if these are quality hot sauces out there, I didn't know these guys existed. If you gotta like order them, I do want to know. So I have like my cupboard is overflowing with hot sauces right now, and I have extra ones that aren't even opened yet or in the fridge. It will take me a long time to get through them. But do let me know in case I want to order from them later. Like, send me the website URL. Okay, things that we have to do. Not sponsored, unfortunately. Not yet.
Imagine me getting
I would-
sponsored instead of you, though. That'd be really
know.
weird.
But it will, all proceeds go to the generous. I still need the name of your charity fund that I could keep talking about.
Charity fund. Doctors Without Borders.
Oh no, I was talking about. I mean, everyone has like their own personal charity, so which really just means donate to me. So I'm thinking about like the Kyra fund or the
Nya Kitty Fund.
the Nyana Kitty fund. Exactly. All proceeds. It is a great feeling to be a part of the Nyana Kitty Foundation in order for this greater cause. So my English. I wish I knew English. All right. Take a look at your stream. What are you doing right now? Got those. So there's lava, or is that just water?
It's water. It's water.
Okay. Bit masks. Actually, I haven't looked into using bit masks. What are you doing with bit masks?
I'm setting it up. Pretty much.
No, I mean I don't know exactly what they do. What do they
Oh.
do?
They're kind of logic. Hold on.
Are they for the auto tiling, or are they for?
Yeah. They're for auto typing.
Got it.
So let me grab that, and then the bit mask here, right?
Got it.
That's
Okay.
32.
Okay. I saw that red bit mask. I'm like, lava?
Nah.
For love?
Oh,
Let's get-
well, there you go. So the
Yeah.
bit mask for auto tiling here, honestly, pretty handy. So red, the red means it's the ones that occupied, and the ones the edges are not occupied. So I'm just gonna mark them like this, as such. And then when I go to the tile map and apply water, oh, this should look proper now.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, kinda. It's close.
it's failing.
We're so close.
Or did I set it wrong? No, I said it right.
I have not worked enough with BitMask to remember. Is there something supposed to be at the bottom right hand side?
Hmm.
I know every time I do auto tiling, I'm basically just looking at the tutorial and copying it tile for tile.
I know how to make auto tile. It's just I don't know why it's doing this though. Tiles are not being auto. The couple need to. Oh my goodness, Rosie. Wait, clear. Maybe there's like some hidden things that I don't know. There. Let's try again. Let's try again. Yo! There you go. Okay, I need the solo tile one though. Like
Let's go. Does water make you go slower, or do you have to jump over it? Sorry, I forgot the rule already.
you can't go over. You can't go over water. You cannot. You need to dash through it.
You have to dive through it, or
Dash.
go dash through it. Okay.
It's as simple as toggling a bit mask, really.
Got it. Thanks for the water. Yeah. Let me get back up that requirements document that you wrote down on the Jamboard. So we need the parries. Water. So the glow berries.
Why I need to do
What are
glowberries?
those?
Yeah, I explain everything. Basically they're dimmed at first, and then when it's hit by a torch, it lights up.
Got it.
And then
Torches.
and if it's sorry, not torch. When it hit by the lighterang, it lights up, and when you hit it with the parry, if you parried it, it'll recover your amount of dashes.
So you can hit it in two ways.
Basically.
All right. Is a so you say recover amount of dashes. Is dash something you can only do once, or do you have a set amount of dashes?
Twice.
So you can dash twice.
Mm-hmm.
As in, can you dash twice at a time before a cooldown?
No, dash twice and
Dash
it's
twice.
permanently out.
Okay. Okay.
So that's why I said that you need to hit the glow berries to recover dash.
All right. Understanding now. And mud. Do you have the tiles that are in the mud?
Yeah, it's the rocks. It's the rocks now.
All right.
I'm too lazy to draw mud.
And then a lot of those need particles.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna deal with the limitations of the tile map. Uh... Indeed. Oh god, gosh darn it. Alrighty, see you, Shadek.
Yeah. Great. I'm gonna grab myself another coffee.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
You're wrong. Now I know what you're thinking, but you're wrong.
Mhm.
You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. Now I know what you're thinking, but you're wrong.
Alrighty. Ugh.
You're wrong.
Forgot how time-consuming time lapse can be.
You're wrong.
But there we go. There you have it. Hmm.
Now I know what you're thinking, but you're wrong.
What else? I need the attacking animation for the player character. I can do that. Hmm.
You're wrong.
But I think we're done with the tile set for now. Go back to the player. Oh, I should probably commit. Okay. So, got this one.
All right, I am back with Le Coffee.
He.
You know, have you used the bookmark feature on YouTube Studio? It's pretty nice.
There's a bookmark feature?
So when your stream is running and if you have YouTube Studio open, it'll have this bookmark button. So every time inside of YouTube Studio where like you configure the stream, there's this at the top right hand corner, there's a picture of a bookmark, and every time you press it, it will make a little bookmark on your stream, or sorry, bookmark at the exact timestamp that you made it.
Mm-hmm.
And what you can do is then after the stream is over, you can go and you can go find every place that has a bookmark, and either in the YouTube's own editor, you can basically do a bunch of you can make clips right there. So that's what I've been using to do all the like little clips videos I've done.
Oh.
It helps compared to going back through the video. But it's hard to like have so many screens open at the same time.
I could easily track them down though.
Wait, what do you say?
I could easily track them down.
Also, is my cookie loud? I have a cookie with this coffee, and I'm not sure, like, it's a loud, crunchy cookie.
I don't hear anything.
Alright, so no cookie ASMR today on stream, unfortunately, chat. In order to unlock the cookie ASMR, you have to pay for the special Chino subscription tier, where you get unlimited access to my ASMR content library and much, much more.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but we was on time. No, nice. Thank you, but yeah. Very nice. I'm sorry to interrupt, but we was on time. No, nice. Thank you, but yeah. Very nice.
Actually, there's also another thing that there's a rolling feature on YouTube where you can like, some creators have it, some don't, that you can go have other people make shorts of your own videos. Do you know if you have that enabled for that account? For your
Yeah, how do I check that though?
It's basically like on your video or on any of your videos, check if you have the shorts button on it. It's a rolling feature and they've only given it to like people with a lot of subscribers first. I don't know when it's coming out to everybody, but it's really fun because like you can have anyone just make clips of your videos.
I don't have like I don't have that clip thingy.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, it will come around sooner or later then.
But you have it or something? Do you have it?
No, I do not have it. The clip thingy for like other people to clip your videos, that is a special feature that's rolling out. For you to clip your own video, you can do that easily. In either the studio mode or just you gotta download the video and clip it offline. So first, I'm gonna make this. New scene. We're gonna make a bramble box that has a mechanics that happen when you run into bramble. Wait, no.
Don't you like me? He doesn't love me anymore.
Be a area 2D. That's gonna be a bramble trigger. Right. Gonna have child node collision shape 2D, but we're not going to define the collision shape 2D. And then we're just going to make sure it collides with the player, so it just needs to the player layer. You don't need to give it a mask, it's just a trigger. So we just want to connect every time the player body, we can just do body entered. First we gotta give it a script. Entered, connect. When the body enters, then we want to knock back the player, right? That's what the bramble does, knock it back?
Yep.
Right.
When I was a little girl, I remember a story about a little boy. An ordinary little boy. One fine day, he discovered that he had been changed into a prince. Well, why can't it be the other way around? When I was a little girl, I remember a story about a little boy. An ordinary little boy. One fine day, he discovered that he had been changed into a prince. Well, why can't it be the other way around? When I was a little girl, I remember a story about a little boy. An ordinary little boy. One fine day, he discovered that he had been changed into a prince.
Playable Moogles.
Yeah. I was like that. Oh, that's tempting.
Are Moogles playable in this game, Kai? Is this character a Moogle? Actually, I don't know the backstory on the character. That's why we need the story mode.
Yeah. Okay. Almost done with the weapon animation.
Thank you.
Now for the backwards version. Sky says, "Hey Chino, are you sus?"
That is an important question. One that we will not find out until 3 seasons later into this great. You'll see. You'll see, eventually.
She looks good to any man.
We belong together.
I don't like to see you taking so little care of yourself.
I didn't do anything for April Fool's Day. I like totally missed it. I should have done something.
We belong together.
Yeah, we could have done something.
Make Ask Pokey Professors Part 2.
Oh my goodness.
We belong together.
She looks good to any man.
We belong together.
When you get infinite knockback from okay. Player knockback. Oh, yeah, I never started the timer, that's it. Every time, like, every other error is related to me not starting a timer I should have started.
There's that. And then...
Should the brambles stun you after you get knocked back?
I mean...
You just get knocked back. So, there's...
I want to stun them to inconvenience them, but like... I think it would be too harsh.
I think it needs a tiny bit of stun.
But I stream Minecraft. I will stream Minecraft soon. I will have to also stop after this. My wrist is aching.
Thank
I've been
you
at
for
it.
all the work you've done already. It's amazing.
I think the only thing that's missing for us is the I think the only thing that's missing for us is the particles.
Yeah. I mean, there's a list of mechanics that need to be made that I have going down. Particles, that's at the top of it. But yeah, particles are needed. Very much needed. And it's like one of those things that I'm kind of like, if you can do the particles, I'd be very appreciated, because it's one of those things that's never a priority to me, but I know it's a priority when you're actually playing the game. But it's like, I need this and this and this and this and this and this and stuff.
Yeah, I could deal with the particles if you want.
That'd be great. Thank you.
But yeah, that'll be for tomorrow.
All right, that sounds good. So, are we wrapping up here then?
I'm just finishing this one, and then yeah, we're wrapping up.
All right.
Well, at least on my end, that's up to you if you're wrapping up on there. I'm just gonna finish this real quick, and then yeah.
There's a party going on in my own server right now without me. I'm like, oh my gosh, what have I created?
Good question.
I basically caused, like, I don't know. I was dropping pearl sand from the sky. You could call it, like, I could make terrible jokes about certain bombing occasions that have to do with pearls, but in Terraria, and then they're trying to fix it, and they've been like frantically trying to fix it. Anything I touch in like a game like Terraria, or if I touch Minecraft, is just probably going to end up in chaos.
We'll see.
When I used to play Roblox when I was young, the games I'd always go to were the building games, where it's like, all right, build this raft and sail it down the river. except then you find ways how to build a raft and then attach your raft to your legs and then use the legs to keep stepping on that raft infinitely so then you could fly. And then you fly up the river.
Oh my goodness.
Like, I love the games that are made for breaking the game. It's just a certain elegance to them. Right. So bramble, we want mud and water. Water, wait. Water doesn't make any work. It's just it's just a collision shape. So we could make a water collision shape. That won't take much work.
I'm gonna let you handle that.
Yeah. No, I'm making those right now.
Isn't it gonna interfere with the ones that I set up though?
These are entirely. Wait, what did you set up? Like, are you talking about the tiles, or did you make something separate?
The thing that you placed in level geometry, I set it up there.
Let's see. No, oh wait, did you do stuff in level geometry and I'm making edits in level geometry as well? Is that the issue? Alright, yeah, I see. So...
And then again, at least you just have to reassign the tile set, I think. So...
No, it should be good.
Yeah.
Godot with merge changes, these aren't binary files, they're just text files, so any
Oh, that is true. That's true.
can be very easily resolved, and I know how to do that.
Update from main. You updated with main.
Just this changes to the static body 2D.
Okay. Push, and then I'm gonna merge with where's it main?
The fun will come in when I merge with main. That's gonna be a lot of merge conflicts.
Yeah.
But I'm used
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah. That is the stream.
Alright.
Thank you all for watching. This is Chino. Links down in the description if you want to check them out. And hope y'all have a nice day.
Subscribe now to Chino and you will get one free cookie shipped to your local storage in your browser. Free today.
Nom nom.